Welcome everybody to my sign-up series number 62, and this is World Finals number 2. Yeah, I did this a year ago, and yeah, it was a very success, and at that time of the year again, we're going to be ready for World Finals number 2 on my sign-up series, and here is your last year's World Finals champion, Zombie Fire by Crazy Viewer, and and let's see who's going to win this year's World Finals number 2 on my sign-up series. Here are the participants. Roman Reigns by Sergio Cortevas. Liveware by Elena Cortevas. Wild Thing, which is myself, and Dorothy, or simply Dorothy, in Baja Buster. Great Clips Mohawk Warrior by Kaz K. And 5 Alarm by Charlie Cooper. Monster Jam by Stan March. Pure Muscle Demo Derby by MJ Fan 2017. Max D Black by Amber E. Portillo. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 by That One Guy. Grandma Gravedigger by Blue Thunder 2003. Monster Truck Throwdown by Curry Gaming. Earthshaker Ice by The Cameron 9785. Battle Axe by Monster Jam Collector Racing. Avenger Retro Rebel by Dolores Simpson. Squidward by Gotti Jr. Bakugan Dragonoid Gold by The Fortnite Kid. Riley McCord and Zombie Overcast. Lego Fan 506, aka Mark Galloway and Bigfoot. Megalodon Training Truck by Antonio Rodriguez 3. Potty Central by Nicola Ivory. El Superfasto by Chase Dustar. And Florida by Walker Fan 500. Let's get this ready for my second annual Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series World Finals 2. Here's this kind of a track layout, and I'm using the Monster Jam Arena set from Spin Master, and yep, for this sign-up series for World Finals number 2, and yeah, let's see if this doing any great. Yeah, let's get started. Last year's champion, Zombie Fire, will takes on Roman Reigns. Whoa. Wow, they really jumped really up high, but I don't know who wins this one. They look a bit even, I'm sure, but yeah, it's kind of hard to let's see them. It looks like yeah, I bet Roman Reigns just beats the champion, so the champion is out. Last year's champion is out, and Roman Reigns moves on. Liveware versus Wild Thing. Whoa. Did we see the backflip of Liveware? Man. Wow. Yeah. That was kind of weird, but we must continue on, so Wild Thing moves on, and I bet that's a good backflip by Liveware, but it's causing it, but Wild Thing is a winner. Baja Buster versus Mohawk Warrior. Man. Yeah. Wow, that's a weird jump, but yeah. It's Mohawk Warrior moves on. Next up, Monster Jam versus 5 Alarm. Whoa, man, 5 Alarm just... Oh, man. Yeah. I'm not sure if I can design it, if they are, I need to check this one, but I'm not sure, but let me see them, just in case. Maybe, I bet Monster Jam will take the win this one, but, it's kind of very hard to do this kind of jump. But I'll decide Monster Jam will be moves on, so, yeah. Yep, Monster Jam is moving on. Max D Black versus Pure Muscle Demo Derby. Whoa. That's a good jump. And Let me see who wins this one. Try to figure it out. It's Max D. Black. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 versus Gravedigger Grandma. Whoa, up. Man, way up high, but who won this one? Man, every time's getting a bit closer, but yeah, trying to. Oh. That's a hard decision, but that's hard to understand this one, but it looks like I want to give the Hot Wheels Racing number 1 for the win this one, because this part right here is like a bit too further. So yeah, you can see the differences. The line right here, yeah. I'll give Hot Wheels Racing number 1 for the win for this one. Man, that was the closest race, and Hot Wheels Racing number 1 moves on. Earthshaker Ice versus Battle Axe. Oh man, it's Earthshaker Ice. Next up, we got Squidward versus Avenger Retro Rebels. Oh man, wow. Squidward's been knocked over, but Avenger Retro Rebels wins. Monster Truck Throwdown versus Bakugan Dragonoid Gold. An easy win for Bakugan Dragonoid Gold. Bigfoot versus Zombie Overcast. The winner is Zombie Overcast. Megalodon Training Truck versus Potty Central. Whoa. The winner is Megalodon Overcast. Hey man, Potty Central almost made a backflip in midair, but Megalodon Overcast takes the win. Wait, did I say Overcast? I meant Megalodon Training Truck. Sorry about that. I'm just messed up my words or something. It's Megalodon Training Truck, of course. Final round of round number 1. Florida versus El Superfasto. Oh, the winner is Florida. Man, how come they made a backflip? But man, that's causing the race. But Florida takes the win. And these are the trucks are moving on to round number 2 of World Finals number 2 on my sign-up series. All right, round number 2. Roman Reigns versus Wild Thing. Man, very nice one, but who won it? I don't know. That's got to be a tough one to call. Let me see him. Looks like I need to rerun this one, because this is the hardest decision. Alright, let's go for the rerun. Alright, we're going for the rerun. The winner is Roman Reigns. Monster Jam versus Mohawk Warrior. The winner is Mohawk Warrior. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 versus Max D. Black. Max D. Black. Earthshaker Ice versus Avenger Retro Rebels. In Earthshaker Ice, take the wheelie, win. Yeah, takes a win and move on to the next round. Zombie Overcast versus Bakugan Dragonoid Gold. Bakugan Dragonoid Gold takes the win. Final round of round number 2. Megalodon Training Truck versus Florida. The winner is... trying to see that. The winner will be Florida. Yeah. So yeah, Florida moves on. Well, we're going to be ready for round number 3, but we need the only two spots left. But what we could do, for the ones who are lost in round number 2 will get a second chance. Yeah. Yeah. They're going to have a second chance, and let's see which of these two. We're going to be doing, like, who's going to be land to the furthest. We're going to be doing one truck at a time, so let's see if they can, the land the furthest as possible. Well, not sure if that's possible to do the arena set, so go ahead and slow down and not bad. So yeah, I'm trying to move it to make it exact because it's kind of hard. So yeah, so Megalodon is on that kind of spot. So let's see what the other trucks will be. Zombie Overcast. Okay, but I have to move it to the side. As possible. So yeah, try to move it like about right here, and then this is where exactly is. Yeah, trying to move it like here, and let's see. One more truck to go, and okay, let's see it. Looks like Avenger Retro Rebel will get a spot. Let's see what the other 3 will be joining Avenger Retro Rebels. Alright, let's see. Wild Thing. Kind of low start, but it's kind of hard to to move it down on the exact same spot. Then okay, Monster Jam. Nice. Try to leave it the way it is to move it out of the way. And finally, Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Oh man, just slide down to the left. So Monster Jam will get a second chance. Alright. Now round number 3 is now completely. So let's get ready. Round number 3. Mohawk Warrior versus Roman Reigns. Wow, Roman Reigns takes a win. Pretty good. Max D. Black versus Earthshaker Ice. Earthshaker Ice. Bakugan Dragonoid Gold versus Florida. Let me see. I'll give that a win to. They almost look even, but that's hard to design. But let me see. It looks like Florida will get a win. It just this part right here, way a bit too close. By the top of it or something. I decided I'll give Florida for the win for this one. Florida moves on. Last round of round number 3. Monster Jam versus Avenger Retro Rebel. Avenger Retro Rebel moves on, and pretty good finish. Trick or something. Let's get ready for the semifinals. Semifinals. Roman Reigns versus Earthshaker Ice. Earthshaker Ice will move on to the finals. Florida versus Avenger Retro Rebels, who's going to be joining Earthshaker Ice in the final round. Avenger Retro Rebels. Who will be the Esparza Monster Truck Sign-Up Series World Finals 2 champion? Will it be Earthshaker Ice by the Camera 9785 or Avengers Retro Rebel by Dolores Simpson? Let's find out. Who's going to be the second Monster Jam? Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series World Finals 2 champion. Let's find out. Whoa, it's Earthshaker Ice is your Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series World Finals 2 champion. And congratulations to Cameron 9785. You are the winner of the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 62, but you are the World Finals champion on my sign-up series. You now be joining last year's champion, and now you are this year's World Finals champion on my sign-up series. Congratulations to Cameron 9785. It feels really great run, and you are the champion. Last year the first one, and now you are the second one. Second ever champion on my sign-up series. Congratulations. Yep, all these dogs going. Man, these dogs are one like to playing around. Well, no matter man, who let the dog out? Indeed. Yeah. Choo-choo! Crash and bashing with demo derbies. Whoa. The Shark Monster Trucks. Yep, time to put out the fire. The SpongeBob SquarePants character decos. Yeah. Okay, that's all the encore, and Earthshaker Ice is your World Finals 2 champion. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it. And I'll see you guys at the Esparza's Monster Truck Sign-Up Series number 63. Yeah, it's been a wild ride at World Finals 2 on my sign-up series. And I will do this again next year. See you soon.